Are you having problems with the emails from your website contact form going straight to your spam folder? The explanation for this is that email services usually don't trust emails coming from senders that don't use the right methods to identify as a trusted sender. To fix this, all you have to do is to relay your emails through a trusted email relay service. Let's fix that. The first thing you need to do is to log into your WordPress website, then go to the WordPress dashboard. Click on Plugins, and click on Add New. Write Fluent SMTP in the search field. And click Enter. Fluent SMTP should be the first plugin you see in the search results. If you can't locate it straight away, look for a plugin developed by Fluent SMTP and WP Manage Ninja team. Next, click Install Now, and activate the plugin. You will now see a message to configure the plugin. To do this, click on the Configure Fluent SMTP button. Next, choose Sendinblue as your connection provider, by clicking on the Sendinblue logo. Now, add the email address that should show as the sender in the emails you send to your receivers. Next, write in the sender name. To hook up the plugin to Sendinblue, you need to enter an API key. You can get this key by going to the Sendinblue website. Click on the Sign Up Free button and make a free account. With a free Sendinblue account, you can send up to 300 emails each day. So it should be enough for most smaller websites. And if you need more, their paid plans are really reasonably priced. When logged into your new Sendinblue account, all you need to do to get your API key is to click on your username in the top right corner of the website. And then click on SMTP and API. Now click on the Create a New API Key button. Give the API key a name, so you can easily identify it later if you are going to need more keys. Now click on the Generate button to make your new API key. Click on the icon behind the long string of numbers to copy your API key to the clipboard. Now, go back to your website and paste your API key into the API key field in the Sendinblue configuration window. And click on the Save Connection Settings button. You can now see that your API key and your email address have been correctly set up to be used to send emails coming from your website. The next thing to do is to go to your website and test out your contact form to make sure everything works and that your emails now end up in your inbox and not your spam folder. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it valuable. If you did, I would really appreciate it if you clicked on the like button. It really does help me to be able to make more videos like this.